Reoon provides a variety of tools aimed at enhancing business operations through technology and innovation. Their offerings include email verification and lead generation services, as well as using Yellow Pages scraper to scrape email address, phone number, and other information of businesses very easily. Reoon's email verifier is particularly notable for its high accuracy, ease of use, and cost effectiveness. It helps businesses clean and validate their email lists, reducing bounce rates and ensuring better email deliverability. Today, we're going to talk about how this amazing tool works. First, go to reoon.com and sign up for an account. Once you have created an account and signed in, you will be directed to its dashboard where you can simply verify email directly here. Let's try some real email addresses here. We can see that this one is invalid. Let's try another one. This one shows catch-all. This means the domain or server is configured to receive email even if the email address doesn't exist. So that's how you can simply check email addresses one by one. But what if you have a bunch of email addresses that need to be checked? You can do bulk checking by clicking on email verification option here. So you can either copy and paste here or upload a file that contains the email list. Let's try copy pasting first. Then start verification. Then click go to task details. The processing time depends on the number of email addresses. In our case, it doesn't even take 15 seconds to finish. So this is the result. The result analysis is categorized into different categories. It can be safe, risky, invalid, or unknown. You can also download the result here if you want. Another way to check bulk emails is by uploading a file. But first, let's use this Reoon scraper platform to get more email addresses. Let's click on Start Scraping Now. Now, let's select the site. Enter a keyword and location that you prefer. Then, click on Start. As you can see, it has generated a list of beauty salons in California with their contact information, including their email addresses. So let's export this and save the file to our folder. And then let's upload the file we just exported here. Then click on Start Verification. Go to Task Details. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And there you have it. You have now successfully checked the validity of the email addresses in your list. We hope you found our overview of Reoon helpful. With Reoon's advanced email verification tools, you can easily clean your email lists, reduce bounce rates, and improve your email deliverability. Its user-friendly interface and accurate results make it a top choice for businesses looking to enhance their email marketing efforts. Plus, with affordable pricing and excellent customer support, Reoon stands out in the market. Thank you for watching!